apparently the camera guy today.
Yes.
Yay me.
Yeah. For which video though?
I don't know. We haven't figured that out yet. It's gonna be your 335 versus my M5. Psych. M5's not
Maybe.
racing today.
Maybe.
We're gonna be racing this guy.
Yes.
Jeez.
So first, I guess I'll wash my car. He's gonna do his oil change.
Yes.
And I gotta fix my rattle and my suspension before falls out
Yeah, correct.
while I'm driving.
eBay turbos versus top mount single.
Ooh.
Nice. And then we do a 3-way on a different channel.
On a different channel on a different day.
Yeah.
Damn, that actually sounds very good. Damn, dog. That sounds good.
Yes.
What you got on the 135?
I got a dog racing kit, Precision 6266, Jorno bearing,
Yes.
making approximately like 93 pound, like 500 horsepower.
Okay. That's a conservative tune.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't got a port injection.
Okay.
I got a helix overdrive. But yeah, we are about to see how good this car runs with the mod that Ali has.
Against the eBay special over there.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, so he's running a conservative tune. Should actually be a very good race.
What is that, like 500?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So,
And you're running. What do you have on yours?
FHD Stage 2 Plus E40.
E40.
So he's on 93, but I'm on E40.
Okay.
I have the eBay Chinese turbos, full bolt-on.
17 Ts.
Yep, 17 Ts versus DocRace
Yeah.
Single Turbo 6266.
Okay. You got some meaty tires.
You got meaty tires. He's about to put some meaty tires too.
Oh, he's putting meaty tires?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So the advantage in his is going to be the gear ratio.
Yeah, so these come with, what is it, 3.308?
308 versus 346.
346, yeah. So this one has...
auto, and I'm manual.
Correct,
Yep.
yeah. So the pickup on this, it feels like it's like free torque because of that ratio.
And the good thing, I don't miss shift.
Oh, he's automatic.
If I miss it,
He's automatic. You got XHP on there?
Yeah.
Oh, he has XHP as well. Stage 3?
Yep.
Yeah. So
I have a
you better have your shift game on point.
clutch master.
6-speed manual.
Yeah,
Actually,
no shifts pretty fast.
it actually shifts very fast. So you have a clutch that's rated at 1200
Yes.
torque?
No, horsepower.
Horsepower. Holy
1200
crap.
horsepower.
Yeah, so it's a very heavy clutch. I've actually tried it myself. And the catch point, the grab point, is right at the top. So you literally have to just tap it. And you have a quick shifter, a short shifter on your car too, right?
Yeah, which I don't think I have made a video yet, but I will. I
Okay,
already
yeah.
have the video, obviously.
Make sure to subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
So it should be interesting. I made on stage 2 plus with E30 on my E90. I made 462 at the dyno. I remember.
So you should be more.
But he has an E40 or E50? E50?
E40 blend. But
E40
I'm running
blend.
on 5 gallons of what's that?
Ignite Red. And on top of that, you have upgraded turbos. So
Upgraded turbos and upgraded inlets.
correct.
You
So the
didn't have-
turbos, yeah. So I didn't have inlets. Well, actually, I had inlets. I just didn't have upgraded turbos.
Yeah, so you had the stock size. Mine is
Yeah, yeah. So
40.
yours is like shaved bigger, right?
Yeah.
Like your So
So we should be a pretty close.
it should be a really close race, to be honest. Yeah.
Back to Mexico.
Back to Mexico we go, guys.
Yes! Short film.
Yes. So Ali, what do you expect the outcome to be?
I might get walked
Why do you say that, sir?
because I make less horsepower. But we'll see. But he's also lighter.
Yes. My 2 doors.
Yeah, 2 doors, and then, I think that's like equivalent to like 400 pounds or maybe 300 pounds. I don't know.
And he got sticky tires on the back.
And he's auto.
And he's automatic.
I'm manual. twin turbo. But hey, you never know. Maybe the car will make up for it.
Well, we're gonna find out.
That's all.
You guys are gonna find out next time on Dragon Ball Z.
The consensus is the M5 won.
Hold on, does that make the cut?
That's it.
Does that race make the cut?
Exactly, of course.
But it was fun.
This was all done in Mexico.
Well, hold on, what gear did you guys take off on?
On this one?
Oh, race
Yeah,
that
most of
motherfucker. This one right here, you can walk the shit out of y'all. That 350
This
diesel?
one?
Yeah.
On 40.
You was
He
third
was,
gear?
I was in
Second
second
gear.
gear.
You were second gear.
He's like 3,500. I'm not ready to boost 4,500.
Holy shit. So my car at second gear is also at 4,500.
It's like right there. Like I don't even have to brake boost for nothing.
No, you don't have to brake boost.
Right.
That's one thing I didn't do here. I didn't brake boost. All the other runs, I brake boosted.
Oh, you did brake boost. Did you brake boost at all?
No.
He's in boost. Yeah, he's already in boost. Every time.
We gotta make it fair.
Hold on. 3,500 RPM on twin turbos is not boost? Bro, you already spooled up at.
No, I wanted
It's
to
cool, that
launch
three.
out of the fucking hole.
He's trying to be at max boost.
Yeah.
And then like, exactly.
Hey, 17 Ts survived the fucking brake boost. I can tell you that.
So it's a good turbo to buy.
I don't know about that.
Okay.
It survived today, but.
Survived today, so we'll have.
Well, after the burnout and pulls that we did,
Huh?
it survived.
Well, he's gonna blow him before he freaking custom tunes him. Yeah, he is. You don't even got a custom tune on him yet.
All right, consensus.
That's not fast at all.
6266 versus 17 Ts. Who wins?
My angle was shitty, bro.
Well, you can see from behind.
Hey, some of them you were up front, and then I guess. I think it's. The only video is actually pretty even.
It's pretty
Pretty
yeah.
even. You had 2 poles. He had 2 poles.
Yeah.
Even though y'all
It was
going
pretty
to
even.
hurt each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like I went 2, Ali won 2.
Yeah. At least the videos I recorded, it looked like he was up front, but like the other ones I didn't record, so I was pretty even. It was like 2 and 2.
I just
If
don't
it
like.
wasn't
I
the
just
one-
don't like the system, bro. When we went 130, the car felt like fucking wavy. I'm like,
yeah, across the bridge, I was like, whoa. And he's like, my car feels swirly, and I was about to say something.
I was
When you guys
like, okay,
when you guys went a three lane one, I was trying to go in the middle, so we get the 3-way real quick, but you guys decided to leave.
Ali, I need you to fix my suspension, bro.
Hey, ¿qué lo que?
Swap depot.
Exactly.
¿Qué lo que? ¿Qué lo que?
¿Qué lo que?
Who wants to challenge me on a 40 roll right now? What's up? 40 roll right now. What's up? In the racetrack parking lot? Yeah. Oh, foot race?
Labor feeties.
Oh, foot race?
Oh, the black guy wins that.
Oh, yeah, I got that on. If I take my shoes off, that's an added 15 horsepower.